In the year 732, Europe stood at a crossroads. The Umayyad Caliphate had swept across North Africa and Iberia, pushing deep into the land of the Franks. If left unchecked, the Islamic armies led by their commander, Abdur-Rahman, would have continued into the heart of Christian Europe. At Tours, the Frankish leader, Charles Martel, the Hammer, grandfather of Charlemagne, met the invading force head-on, determined to prevent the expected looting of Tours. His disciplined and well-organized heavy infantry formed a solid phalanx in a defensive position. Most of the men following Martel had fought under his command for years, which proved to be a decisive advantage over the levied troops of the Caliphate. The two armies stood at odds for over a week. Light skirmishes preluded the main attack. Neither side wanted to advance. However, winter was on the side of the Franks. Thicker clothing allowed them to hold out longer than their thin-layered enemies. Fearing the oncoming weather, Abdur-Rahman decided to attack. The Arab cavalry crashed against the Frankish phalanx. The northern people remained as immobile as a wall, holding together like a glacier in the cold regions. In the blink of an eye, they annihilated the Arabs with a sword. The death of Abdur-Rahman turned the tide of battle, putting the invaders on the defensive, allowing the Franks to rout the Arab army completely. Martel's victory halted the Caliphate's advance into Western Europe. Some historians even call it the battle that saved Christian Europe, though that might be an exaggeration. Even so, its symbolic importance can't be overstated. It secured Frankish dominion over the former Roman Gaul and laid the groundwork for Charlemagne and the Carolingian Empire.